Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed opening on the application of X Twitter. You will go to settings like this. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will go down until you find this window of X Twitter and you will enter. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of X Twitter. And here you can update your app in this blue sign as you see. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.